So, my cat went underwater. Like, actually underwater. I'm not kidding. We're out by the lake. I'm just chillin', watching the water, when I hear this splash behind me. I turn around and there's my cat. Fully submerged. Eyes locked on this giant fish. I swear, it looked like a scene from Mission Impossible, Feline Edition. Paws stretched out. Bubbles flying. Total focus. The fish? Oh man. Mouth wide open. Eyes bulging. Like, what the heck is that? It was chaos. Underwater chaos. Fur, fins, and fear. And me? I'm just standing there, frozen. Thinking, did my cat just dive? Then boom. They both vanish into the green. Silence. I didn't catch a fish. But I caught a moment I'll never forget.